Now I'm going to show you how to use this little punch right here to put, I'm going to put a heart on my thumb right there. This is Upper East Side, the brown is Upper East Side, and the sparkly pink is Bellini over it. So I'm going to punch out a hole in the Tokyo or Bellini. It's very similar. I'm going to punch a hole in this. I'm going to put it on my thumb, and then I'm going to put the heart on my ring
I've
finger.
already done my Upper East Side right here, and then I've also done my Bellini on these ones that I'm going to be keeping solid. So when I do my punch, I am going to take the plastic coat off first because it's really hard to get that off without this little tab. And also it's hard to punch her. Here, baby, I'll help you in just a minute, okay?
Can I put it in my box?
Go put it in your box, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over and hope I can get it in the right spot. The way that I want it is kind of a little bit offset so that the heart, like the tops of the heart, okay, the tops of the heart are kind of over here, so it's not like straight on, so it's kind of offset. So I'm going to try to do that, and still, I want to make sure that there's room for me to do another heart up here for my other thumb, and I also want to make it so it's not like super close to the cuticle, right? So we'll see how this works out. And like I said, it's a little bit hard to punch through. Whoop, there it goes. I got it a little bit closer to my cuticle than I wanted it to, but that's okay. So then I'm going to, maybe I'll do the heart first. I'm going to take this heart, and it should just, if you can just see that, you just use your thumb or your finger to just kind of peel it off. It should come off pretty easily. And then again, I don't want it right in the center like that. You could put it wherever you want it. You could put it up here, you put it down here. I kind of want it off-centered just a little bit. And then just kind of lay it down however you want it. There you go. It's kind of a sweet little sweet little heart right there. Okay, so there's the sweet little heart right there. And then I'm going to take this off, and I want to keep this white part close by because I'm going to need it here in just a second when I punch the next one. So I'm going to put it over my thumb right there, and it wasn't quite where I wanted it, so I gently lifted it up because it's, you know, it's not as stable because it has a big hole, gaping hole in it. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. And then I kind of pull my skin apart right there when I'm putting it on so that it goes right in between my skin and my nail. Or, you know, it goes on my nail and not on my skin, I guess. Bye, Dolly. I love you. Don't know where she's going, but she packed up a box of my craft stuff, so hopefully I'll see that again. And it will be in one piece. Oh, little girls. I love her. Okay, so you know how, you see how I've already done this nail. I don't want to mess it up by, you know, perforating it. It probably has been long enough that it wouldn't break it, but I don't want to take that chance. So I'm going to use my cuticle pusher and kind of on the edge perforate it right here. And then pull it off. And I'll clean that up in just a second. But you can see there, I kind of wish I would have used a more contrasting color, you know, like Gold Coast or maybe one of the white Frenches, because then you could see the heart better, but I still like it. And it's like a sweet color, you can see it. So then, you know, you've got that right there. So that's how you do it. When you have this piece right here, you're going to want to put it back on the white part, and you're going to want to line it up with that as much as you can so it has some stability when you put it through the puncher. And so then you're just going to take this tab off, carefully taking it off without ripping the nail polish there. And then you're going to put it back through here, just like this. And like I said, I want it off center. It was a little bit too close to my cuticle last time, so I'm going to kind of try this. Oh, there goes my heart. My achy breaky heart. I have to find it. It flew on the floor somewhere. But I'll get that in just a second. But then you just take that and peel it off of there and put it on your other thumb. just like that. Yeah, just like that. And then I'll get that cleaned up and I'll take a picture and show you what it looks like.